Hello and welcome. This is Nikhil Raj, Course Director for tutormatch.com. In this session, we will cover the topic Creating Procurement Schedules. Creating procurement schedule is a very important thing that you need to do in your project because as a planning engineer, when you plan things for next 3 months or 1 month, you have to plan the materials as well. Because if there is no materials, then you cannot do the work. Even if you miss a single material, a very small materials, then it can stop the project. So material procurement is very important, and to creating schedules is also important, and we'll see how to make these schedules in Primavera. Material procurement is very important in every project, as if there is a non-availability of material inside can stop the work, and material planning should be done at least 3 months ahead. And in Primavera helps you to foresee upcoming activities, and based on the activity you have to plan the materials. And materials are classified as A, B and C class based on its cost. So here I have given a pictorial slide. Says there is a small material like nails, cover blocks. If you didn't procure these small things inside, it can really stop the work. So materials is very important. And when you work in construction, you must know these reports that you have to prepare steel schedule for 3 months, concrete schedule for 3 months. Also, every month and you have to prepare A, B and C class material requirement for next 3 months. So here I have given an example to how calculate the materials in project. To complete one floor, we require 500 kg binding wire. So this value normally we calculate based on thumb rules and coefficients. Let's say next month, according to the plan, we have to complete 2 floors. So what happens? 2 floors times 500 kg becomes 1000 kg binding wire is required for next 1 month. So like this you have to plan every single material for 3 months. So this is how we practice in industry, and we'll see how to do this in software. There are 4 steps that generate procurement schedule. That is, you have to create materials in Primavera. That is the first thing. Second thing, you have to assign the materials to the right activities. And the third thing, you have to go to the resource assignments, where program will show you the quantity of material requirement, and you can adjust the time scale based on your requirement. You can adjust the time scale to monthly, weekly, yearly or whatsoever. So we'll see how these are done in Primavera. Let's open the software. So this is the project. So what is the first step? Here is all the activities you have already given relationships and all. You have to go to resources, and these are the resources. So here you can see the materials as well. So 7.5 ready mix concrete is there, cover block is there. You have to create every single material that required in the site in this window. So that is the first step, create the resource. And after that you have to go to activities. You need to assign the materials. So here you can see the resources assigned to the activities. So reinforcement of footing, I require 16 mm steel, 20 mm steel, 25 mm steel, 32 mm steel. So all the materials I have assigned here. Let's see, concrete for footing, we require 25 grade RMC, 30 grade RMCs are required. How much is required? I have given here 50 cubic meter, 90 cubic meter. So likewise, you have to assign all the resources to the concerned activities. Once you've done this second step, you can go to the third step, that is resource assignment. So here is the option, resource assignment. So the program will show all the resources and the concerned activities. So here you can see 10 mm steel is used for wall reinforcement, ground floor, slab reinforcement, basement, and the amount, the quantity is given here. So the time scale is adjusted to monthly. So March month I require 1.5 metric tons of 10 mm steel. April I require 10.5 metric tons of 10 mm steel is required. So here is the quantity. and total 10 dia requirement is given here. 1.5 in March, 34.5 metric tons in April, 33.75 metric tons in May. You can control this time scale by right click on this area. You can go to time scale. You can change it to weekly if you want. This is month per week, or you can change it to daily if you want. Here it is daily. So normally we do it in monthly, so you can go to year per month, press apply, say okay. So let's say if you want to prepare a concrete schedule, you don't want to display the steel, you only want to display the concrete. So you can go to filter here, you can customize it, you can say where resource. So here resource ID name is under the value concrete. Right click, filter by, say all resources. So here you can see concrete. So under concrete I have listed all the grades of concrete. So I will select concrete and press select, then press apply. Now what happened, program has generated a concrete schedule where all the grade of concrete are displayed. You can see RMC 7.5 we are using for PCC, 25 we are using for this activities, 30 we are using for these activities, 35 we are using for wall and slab concreting and pedestal shuttering as well. So here you can see the requirement. On the month of February, 7.5 we require 10 m cube, 25 grade RMC we require 140 m cube, 22.5 m cube of 30 grade RMC required in the month of February. So this is the requirement of March, April. So this is how we generate a concrete schedule. Similar way you can generate a steel schedule by filtering it again. Resource ID name under, you can change it to steel FE500. Press OK. Program will give you steel schedule. 10 mm requirement of month of April, May, June is given here. 12 mm requirement is given here. 16 mm requirement, 20 mm requirement is given here. So this is how we generate steel schedule. If you want to take a print, you can go to file, print preview. You can generate it like this. You can adjust the page. A3, landscape, options, print spreadsheet. And if you only want to print 3 months, you can set the time scale here from November 1st to November, December, January, February. Let's put up to February 1st. Press apply. You will generate a steel schedule of 3 months. So this is how we prepare steel schedules. Similar way you can print out concrete schedule as well. So this is how we generate the procurement schedule. If you want to generate all the materials, you can remove all the filters so that program will display all the materials here. So here all the materials are displayed. Also labels are also displayed like project engineer, supervisor. You can again filter it out. You can say resource type equals materials. Press OK. Now program will display all the materials. So this is the procurement schedule. So hope you understand how to prepare procurement schedule, steel schedule, concrete schedule, which is very important in construction industries, and hope you really understood how to do it. Thanks for watching.